Hello children, welcome to another communication that I wanted to have with you. Today I want to share a little thought with you which would hopefully help you de-stress yourself. A long time back I read somewhere something which was very interesting and it had a profound effect on me. Profound means that it had a huge effect on me which was part of my thinking and my soul. It was a very simple little story in which the person says that you should never carry somebody else's garbage. Here, by garbage, I mean somebody else's anger. Anger is garbage for us. So when somebody is angry, what do? They transfer that anger to the other person they meet and they de-stress themselves. If a teacher is angry, she'll come to the class and she'll scold a few children. If a parent is angry, the parent will, whenever he catches hold of the children or the child, will get after their lives. So elders tend to do this. We as elders are guilty. And we tend to transfer our anger to the other person. And mostly it is somebody who is lesser or younger or is not more powerful than you. We tend to do this. To cope with this, refuse to take that anger. Do not carry that garbage to transfer it to somebody else. Leave it where it is and give it back to the person. If somebody gives you a gift that you don't take, what happens to the gift? The gift goes back to the giver. In the same manner, the anger will go back to the person who tried to give it to you. So keep yourself calm and happy. Be confident that it is not your fault. So the anger that is directed towards you is not supposed to be for you to carry. You are supposed to be confident about yourself, understand that you are a better person, and neither will you accept that anger nor transfer it to somebody else. You will break the link in between the two factors that come together. So the anger is going to abate, it is going to lessen, and slowly it will finish. So this was a short message that I wanted to give and a thought which I would like you to practice this week. It will be nice being connected to you off and on, and I'll try and keep this connection every few days so that I can keep talking to you and we can generally keep meeting each other. Thank you very much for your patience. Bless you. Have a wonderful week.